particle exposures, trending down, down, down until about 2016, and then kind of this sharp uptick again in the Pacific Northwest where I live, and on the West Coast and the Southwest of the US. And this is just all driven by increases in wildfire smoke exposure in these places. So generally, Canadians enjoy cleaner air than we have down here in the United States. But I wanted to talk about kind of the contribution of different types of particles to that overall fine particle count. So there's all source PM 2.5, which comes from a bunch of sources like traffic, factories, dust, a variety of things, including wildfires. And so this is sort of the breakdown in different parts of Canada. So the very far left, you're looking at Canada overall, and you're seeing kind of a mixture of a bunch of different sources. So wildfire is the maroon, so a substantial portion, but a lot coming from residential combustion. So people burning wood in fireplaces, for example, or oil to heat homes, industrial exposures in periwinkle. We're looking in brown, this is transportation. So a fairly even split among many of these categories overall. And you can look, then moving all the way to northern Canada, where actually air quality is extremely good on average. But what exists there in terms of fine particles is primarily from wildfires. So that's kind of interesting to see this breakdown. And then this is showing just a snapshot of 2013 across the US and Canada. And the colors are indicating the percent of total PM 2.5 that came from wildfires. And